Welcome to our channel Bum Bum Kids.
Hello kids, today we are going to learn about vowels and consonants. There are 26 letters in English alphabets and 5 of them are vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Let's repeat one more time. A, E, I, O, U. Each vowels have two sounds, long sound and short sound. Let's take the first vowel A. It makes two sounds. The first one is A, like ape, apron and cake. The second one is A, like apple, ant and axe. Let's take the second vowel E. The first sound is E, like eagle, eel and ear. The second one is A, like elephant, egg and elbow. Let's take the third vowel I. Its first sound is I, like eyes, iron and ice cream. And the second sound is E, like igloo, insect and ink. Now the fourth vowel is O. It also makes two sounds. The first sound is O, like old, gold and okra. The second one is O, like octopus, orange, off. The last vowel is U. Its first sound is U, like uniform, universe and unicorn. And the second one is A, like uncle, urn, umbrella. Except these vowels, others are the consonant letters. There are 21 consonant letters. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z. This all about vowels and consonant.